Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to see linked devices on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to see the linked devices on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons where it says more. Tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll land on this interface. Again, over here you'll be required to tap on the settings option available for us just above my notes. Tap on settings, and when this interface appears, tap on the account option available for us at the top of the screen. And over here, guys, you can see the third option where it says desktop and tablets. Tap on it and all of your linked devices will be listed out over here. Since I have not linked any devices to my Viber account, this list is empty. But if you have linked your devices through your QR code or by directly manually logging on to your Viber account on your computer or your tablets, that will be over here, listed over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to see your linked devices on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.